Introducing the 2012 Toyota Yaris. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the four-speed automatic transmission. Top features include air conditioning, a tachometer, tilt steering wheel, and more. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop in and take a test drive.